This is a problem that is really not super difficult. Pretty straightforward. We read for important information, and it looks like right here we can see that 6.5 hours. You clean a community park for 6.5 hours. Somebody pays you. You make some money. It says write and solve an equation. Honestly, it's sort of goofy because do you really need an equation for this? No. You can probably just divide and figure it out. Money per hour is what you're trying to figure out, right? It says, how much would you earn per hour? Well, pretty straightforward. You could just take this and divide by this. Or you could say the total amount of money, 42.25 is the total money. And how do we calculate the total money? If you didn't actually know total money, you would take the amount that you make per hour, and let's just say that that's like hourly rate or your amount you make per hour. And then you would multiply by the number of hours that you worked, which in this case is 6.5. And so there we have an equation. So it's actually 6.5 hours multiplied by however much you get paid per hour. I'm giving it an H. You could call it X or whatever you want. Money per hour. I don't know. But this is a pretty common setup where we have a unit rate. We have how much goes by, or how much time, or how many hours in this case. Anyway, so the idea is really the same as doing the arithmetic over here. If I divide by 6.5 both sides, then that's not a whole lot different than what we thought we would do originally. Take the money, divide by how many hours, and you end up getting the amount of money per hour, right? So this is 42.25 divided by 6.5, which looks like 6.5. Yes, so it is. It's which is kind of goofy, but the hourly rate, these would cross out, and I would end up with $6.50 per hour is what you get paid. And then you also work 6.5 hours. The numbers just work out that way, where it's $6.50 per hour, and also you worked 6.5 hours. All right, you get the idea. Let's do one more example, kind of like this. A discounted concert ticket is $14.50 less than the original price. They're giving you a variable, so they probably want you to use it. It doesn't explicitly say write an equation, but often it will. You pay $53 for a discounted ticket. Okay. What is the original price? Well, obviously these really don't need a lot of algebra. They don't need a lot of writing equations with variables and stuff like that, right? Instead, what you could do is say, well, this is the discounted price plus $14.50. And if you did that, then you would get the original price because it's discounted, which means that it's going to cost more. The original price is more. And so anyway, or you could think of it as a variable. You could say, how much is it discounted? It says this much less. So I would take original cost minus $14.50 equals the new cost, which is $53. So that's another way to write the equation, but the arithmetic would be the same. It's still an addition problem, right? So you'd add $14.50 to both sides, and the answer would be 53 plus 14.50, and we get 67.50. 67.50 would be the original price that you paid. All right.